Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Kohl's account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Kohl's card account, open up your preferred browser on your computer first, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar type in kohl.com or hit enter, or you can simply search for kohl login like this and hit enter, and you can see the sign in kohls.com, okay, kohl and kohls.com, enter. You can see both of these are Kohl's website. Now to log into your Kohl's account, you can see the account option available over here on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the account, and after that click on sign in, and after that enter your email and your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Kohl's account. Or if you have forgot your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a certain procedure to reset your password. Or if you have not yet created a Kohl's account yet, simply tap on create an account to sign up for Kohl's account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Kohl's account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.